Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to take you on a tour in the editor to show you how to embed. This is in a Moodle course that I'm offering to educators in the month of August 2026. And this is how it's done. First of all, there are two ways of doing it. The first way is to go into Source Code Pro over here at the top left. The second way is to go into Tools, click on that, and then you will see the Source Code Pro at the top. So two ways of doing it. Let's do it the first way. Click on that, and then you're taken to a Source Code Pro message area. I'm going to remove whatever is here since I don't need it and add the iframe. Save that. And here it is. That simple. That's all you need to do. And then I'm going to post a forum so I can show you what it looks like as I play it. And here it is. This wonderful video.
Conditional logic can be hard to teach because students often memorize rules without building a mental model of consequences. In Rivera's framework,
Okay, so that's it. Now you can embed videos, audio, images, anything this way. But in Moodle, you don't have to embed images. You can simply paste them in the message area. You don't have to go into the HTML or the code as I showed you. You just paste it and it'll be responsive. Same thing with YouTube videos. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box below and have a great day.